experiencing no service, SOS only, or registration problems on your Rogers mobile device can be frustrating. These issues often arise from network congestion, device problems, or account-related issues. No service indicates your phone can't connect to Rogers network towers, often due to weak signal or SIM card problems. SOS only means you can only make emergency calls, usually due to a SIM card issue or lack of network coverage. Registration failures can occur from SIM card incompatibilities or glitches after Rogers' merger with Shaw in 2023. To quickly resolve these issues, start with basic troubleshooting. First, power cycle your phone. Check to ensure airplane mode is turned off. Next, physically remove and reinsert your SIM card to ensure it's properly seated. These simple steps resolve many common connectivity problems. After this, continue to our next section for more detailed troubleshooting if the issue persists. If basic troubleshooting doesn't restore your Rogers service, try resetting your network settings. On iOS, go to Settings, General, Reset, then Reset Network Settings. On Android, navigate to Settings, System, Reset Options, then Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Alternatively, force a network scan using the Rogers app or by dialing 228 for older devices. Ensure your device's OS and Rogers app are up to date, as outdated software can cause connectivity issues. If problems continue, test with another SIM card or device to isolate the source. For persistent SOS-only mode, contact Rogers support through the My Rogers app, call 1-800-ROGERS, or visit a Rogers store. Your SIM may need reprovisioning, or your IMEI could be blocked. Rogers is actively investing in 5G infrastructure and satellite integration, aiming for 99.9% uptime by 2030. Keep your devices updated and be proactive with troubleshooting to minimize disruptions. If problems persist, report to CRTC to put pressure on Rogers.